Sean Corbin, year 29, and Finney Ransom, year 6. All the pieces in place. We tip it up. Wembanyama, he's going to win every jump ball this year for sure.
So are you putting bets on that in Vegas? Is that what you're saying right now?
And the Hall of Fame coach is still adapting to his young players as well.
What a beautiful pass there by Nurkic. Greg Popovich, he didn't hold back in his assessment and speaking with us. He says, look, our team got punked by the Clippers.
Here's Durant on the breakaway.
He didn't get to watch a whole lot of NBA games live, but he watched hours and hours of film, of YouTube, of highlights, and one of the players he watched the most was Kevin Durant, who better standing at nearly 7 feet tall, and he said he could be such a versatile player in this league. He seems like a historian and someone who follows basketball beyond his era, as he sinks one from 3, as Wemby watches and all.
How teams are being physical with him. And that time it was Eric Gordon.
Gordon lays it in, his second layup. Suns getting what they want in the paint right now.
By Gordon.
Relentless defense. Frank Vogel, first-year head coach with the Suns. He's all about defense. Nice finish by Zach Collins. Tapped in with a few NBA teams as they came through Los Angeles, but different go-around for him is Kevin Durant.
And it looked like that ball hit the side of the backboard.
Three-point shooting around 25% on this young season.
Look at this. Victor guarding KD out on the perimeter. And the block shot.
Blocks Allen. He's on the run. Suns have missed their last 6 now. Made 5 of their first 6. Gordon's going to try again, and he finds the bottom.
The pride of North Central High. Just 165 games over the last 4 seasons.
Brando had it stripped from him. Gets
look at that.
Kogi from behind. They beat the Clippers in 5, and then the top-seeded Nuggets ousted Phoenix in 6. And that one's going to go. Sohan.
More comfortable with that one-hand free throw.
That's the way Allie LaForce used to do it in Ohio, too, as Durant lays it in. What do you have, Allie? Wembanyama guarding Durant.
Love it.
Dreamed about these moments.
Yes.
Wembanyama takes a swipe. Clock ticks to 2, the shot clock. Durant up and over Wembanyama. Okay. Offense right now.
I wouldn't be. You got 3 unbelievable scores. Nice pass block there by Baxter.
Got to go here. Gordon with shot clock at 2, high off the window. And another collision underneath. 14. That is their 7th giveaway, San Antonio, already. After 25 Sunday against the Clippers. Naz. He's got the hot hand.
Loaded, yes. And this is a guy that averaged about 11 assists a year ago.
Gordon, long 3 is good. Naz Little gives it up. Allen will let a 3 fly. He's got one.
What is Frank Vogel worried about his offense about?
Gordon is off to a great start this year. Kevin Durant, and we talked to Frank Vogel about this too. What about that is McDermott, some of the greatest players in the league going
back to his own.
Kevin Durant cashes it in. That's money for Kevin Durant all day long.
Working on fundamentals, footwork, and getting stronger.
Sohan. Eubanks with the quick bounce. Durant guarded by Sohan. Double team comes. Jump pass by Gordon goes all the way around to Eubanks. Great ball movement here. What a set. You knew that was going down. Second. Suns have utilized that philosophy in this game. With 4 to shoot, Grayson Allen with a long-range 3. Yeah, Vogel wants more 3s. He's going to get that when Beal and Booker return. Don't forget EJ.
Look at this. Look at this.
Kevin Durant gave him a highlight. Shot clock is off. Wembanyama goes right by Durant. With the left hand. That was really the issue with the Suns last season. And then when they ran into the Denver Nuggets, there's Wembanyama. Rains out 3. Shows you a bit of that shooting stroke.
At the end of the day, the ball will always be in the guys you just mentioned. Booker, KD, and even Kogi.
And then 34, Durant. Beautiful pass. The fake. Give it right back. Durant just playing facilitator right now. He's getting everybody involved. Gordon is off. Durant working around Johnson. Finds Nurkic. And Nurkic Altered by Wembanyama and a tie-up.
I said, what makes this team special? You've played with a lot of superstars. You know what it takes to win a championship. And he said, we have a lot of talent, but we also have a coaching staff.
And he has bought into it. And when your best players buy into a system from a head coach, it just permeates throughout the rest of your organization.
12-point Suns lead. Allen for three. Allen stays high. Take it on Zach Collins at 2:45. Keldon Johnson for three, rains one in.
He's having himself an evening, Keldon Johnson now.
You know, Popovich wanted to see more ball movement. Three-pointer is good. Kevin Durant coming right back. Eubanks clears another one. Too big of a body in there. Durant kicks it. Watanabe again. It's good. Watanabe. Again, the shot clocks are down above the goal, so it's down on the floor. A little bit unusual spot. How about the follow? Drew Eubanks in a primal square.
Throw it 2 inches above the square. There's only one person, maybe two, Kevin Durant, to go get it at four.
Wembanyama buries a three.
Second made three here.
Until the final seconds of the second quarter. Trey Jones got clocked in the mouth. He's still down.
Got to get back in the action.
And blocked by Wembanyama.
Didn't even leave his feet. Didn't even leave his feet.
I got a guy if you want to.
Oh, another block by Wemby.
Now in transition, up ahead. Throw it up there. No! Vassell takes it himself. Takes his own glory. He can bounce to Vassell with a jam. Little player with the 5 fouls. Here comes Spurs again in transition.
Oh, three would be huge right now.
Wembanyama, offensive rebound. Powers his way in.
Okay, there's my second. Didn't I say he was going to give us two tonight?
29th year in the NBA shot quarter.
There's a three.
Wembanyama, no, he finds Osman, who lays it in.
19 years old.
Soon to be checking in here for San Antonio. Durant, guarded by Sohan. They clear it out. Durant goes to work. Money. Easy money. Durant to the basket. Durant lays it in left hand. Well done.
This is the difference when.
Oh, what a pass. Vassell got stuck under the basket. The 1-footer is good. Nice turnaround.
Before that last one to go.
Last season with the Blazers, he shot 36%. He can shoot it out there. Nice take to the basket by Vassell. Durant out, looking for Vassell, their best scoring option. Vassell, step back, three. Looking like Dame Lillard right there.
In the offseason with the new contract.
Durant turns a corner, some contact. Durant knocks it down, no whistle. Approaching the 1-minute mark.
He's going to have to run a body at Durant.
Keldon Johnson all alone. Durant goes right by him in a two-handed jam. Goes Wilt, MJ, Kareem, and Durant. 990 games. Amazing. Wembanyama, catch and shoot. He's got it. Big shot for the Spurs.
One possession and a quick two here.
Now the play's disrupted. Pop's upset. Vassell's going to have to go on his own. Three-pointer. No good. Wembanyama! It's a 1-point game. 6.8 to go.
You might want to call a timeout to advance it.
Oh, Johnson takes it from him. Johnson hangs. Yes! And the Spurs have the lead.
What did I just witness here? They go for the steal.
They have never led until...
Look at the length on the ball by Wembanyama against Grayson Allen. 8-foot wingspan, 7'3".
Allen will trigger it in. 1.2 to go. The catch, the shot, no good. And the Spurs win on the road for the first time this year.
Wow.